This is Ananya, your SST Master Teacher at Vedant. How are you all? I hope you people are taking very good care of yourself. Right? Chalo, great. So guys, welcome once again to the Sprintex series. If you people are new, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much in advance. So guys, let's continue with our topic. Guys, in this particular session, I'm going to ask you questions on the rise of nationalism in Europe, all right? And it is going to be part 2, all right? So we have already completed part 1. In part 2, guys, I'm going to ask you questions on the making of Germany and Italy, visualizing the nation, and the nationalism and imperialism. On these 3 topics, I'm going to ask you questions, okay? Guys, these are your favorite master teachers, the schedule of your favorite master teachers on Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel of Sprintex series. Do not forget to be a part of all these sessions. Anup sir, Shilpi ma'am, Gopal sir, Maria ma'am, Ananya sir, Chintu bhaiya, Shweta Roy ma'am. Right? Chalo. So let's get started, guys, with our series. Last time, guys, I gave you a homework question, and congratulations to all those kids who gave the right answer in the comment section. Guys, in a similar way, I'm going to give you a homework question at the end of this session. So make sure that you guys are giving the answer in the comment section. The question was, nationalism, which emerged as a force in the late 19th century, means what? And the right answer was, it was option A, strong devotion for one's own country and its history and culture. So this is nationalism. Now guys, I hope you know the rules and regulations. Basically, for every question, like you can see, the sprint time is going to be 1 minute. I'm going to read the question, I'm going to read the options, I'll be waiting for a few seconds. You guys can do one thing, just pause the video, think for the answer, and then give the right answer. Alright? Chalo. The first question, guys, on your screen we have, which of the following aspect best signifies this image of Germania? Okay, your options are A, heroism and justice, B, folk and cultural tradition, C, austerity and asceticism, D, revenge and vengeance. So 4 options, guys. Which of the following aspect best signifies this image of Germania? Alright. So guys, pause the video, think, and then play the video once again and see the right answer. And the right answer is, it is very simple. Option A, heroism and justice. That's great, guys. I hope you people gave the right answer. Chalo. Let's move to the next question on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. What is shown in this picture as a basis of Britain? Okay, so pause the video, have a look on the map. What is shown in this picture as the basis of Britain? Your options are the sea routes which Britain controlled, B, Britannia sitting on the globe, C, its various colonies, या D, its domination of the world. Look at this image once again. Alright, are you guys ready? Pause the video, think. Maximum time for this question is 1 minute. And the right answer is option B, Britannia sitting on the globe. Yes. So congratulations to all the students who gave the right answer. No problem, guys, if you people are giving the wrong answer also, but yes, please try to rectify it if you guys are giving the wrong answer, and do not repeat the same mistake in your main examination. Alright, so guys, the third question on your screen, what major issue was criticized against the liberal nationalist? Option A, censorship laws to control the press, B, preservation of the church, C, a modern army, or is it D, efficient bureaucracy? What major issue was criticized against by the liberal nationalists? And the right answer is option D, if efficient bureaucracy. Next question on your screen in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Who was the main architect of unification of Germany? Very important and very simple. Option A, Chancellor Bismarck. Option B, Napoleon. Option C, Habsburg Empire. Or is it option D, Louis Philippe? The main architect of the unification of Germany. Ready? And the right answer is option A, Chancellor Bismarck. Nice. Chalo. Let's move to the next question. And guys, do let me know in the comment section how many right answers you gave. Alright. So I want to see how many right answers you gave. Okay, for like the number of questions I'm going to ask you. Cool? झूठ मत बोलना, ठीक है? चलो, next one. A large part of Balkan region was under the control of whom? The area of intense conflict from where the First World War started. Yeah. So a large part of Balkan region was under the control of whom? Option A, Russian Empire. B, Ottoman Empire. C, Habsburg Empire. Or is it D, German Empire? A large part of Balkan region was under the control of option B, Ottoman Empire. Yes. Chalo. Okay guys, so before we move ahead with the next question, something very, very interesting for all the new kids over here. So all the new kids who are like the very first time who are attending the session on Vedantu's 9th and 10th English channel. So let me tell you guys, not only on YouTube, but you people guys can take our pro subscription and take lots and lots of advantages. Now, guys, if you take our pro subscription, what is the difference between attending our session on YouTube and taking our pro subscription? Just listen to me very, very carefully for next 2 minutes. First of all, every session is going to be a live session. Guys, like this session is a recorded session. I'm not saying that you are not able to understand anything, but the difference between attending a live session and a recorded session. In live session, you can interact with your teachers. Not only interact, you can ask doubts to the teachers, which is not possible on YouTube as of now with this video. And guys, as you know, your first term examination is going to be MCQ based. In our live session, guys, in every session of every subject, in every 5 to 10 minutes, we ask multiple quizzes. So you're automatically prepared with your term 1 examination. And while you participate in these quizzes, you actually compete with the students throughout the world. Because students in Vedantu are from across the globe, not only from India. Next. If you miss out the session due to any reason, you guys can watch the replays. And these replays are interactive replays. Means, let's say your session was at 5 p.m. You missed out the session like due to power cut or maybe due to poor connectivity. In that case, you can watch the replays n number of times and still you can participate in the quiz like a live session. Not only this, you can even download the notes which are made by master teachers. And the most amazing part, doubts. Not only during the class, but after the class also, you can ask unlimited questions. We have 2 teacher pattern during the class. Master teacher who will help you to who will help you clear all the concepts. Class teacher will be there to help you with all your questions. Tests are taken. Assignments are given to you. Are you guys getting all these things on YouTube? No. Next, micro courses and crash courses. People, what are micro courses? Micro courses are topic specific courses. Means, let's suppose you attended the live session of Rise of Nationalism in Europe. You wish to attend the live session once again. you can enroll to a micro course separately of this topic, and it can be taken by the other master teachers on Vedantu. So you will get an experience of almost all the master teachers at Vedantu. No need to pay extra for this. Crash courses are revision courses, and all these things are going to be unlimited and free for you. Are you guys going to get all these benefits on YouTube? Never. So if you want to learn from us, the link is there in the description box. This is my coupon code ADPRO, Ananya Dutt Pro, to get flat 10% off on all our plans. How you guys can take this will definitely guide you at the end of this session. As of now, guys, if you feel that you are not confident with the term 1 examination, we are giving term 1 crash course. Term 1 from 30th of November. Right? All these benefits at just 5,000 rupees. But if you apply my coupon code ADPRO, it will come down to 4,500. That is Pro Lite. In Pro Classic, you will get a down sap. Apply my coupon code over there. 5,500 will come down to 4,950. Means just by paying extra 450 rupees, you are getting a down sap. Means after the class, you can ask unlimited questions. What else you want? Micro courses are there. Link in the description box. Use my coupon code. Hurry up. Take this advantage and be a part of all our sessions. Guys, in this price, you will be getting all the subjects. Physics, Chem, Bio, Maths, Social Science, English. Right? Chalo. Moving ahead to the next question. Yeah, assertion. From the very beginning, the French revolutionaries introduced various measures and practices like the idea of la patrie and la citoyenneté. Okay, fatherland and citizens. La patrie means fatherland and la citoyenne means citizens. Reason, this was done to create a sense of collective identity among the French people. Think. 4 options. And the right answer is option A. Guys, assertion is also right. Reason is also right. And yes, reason is explaining the assertion. How? Because the idea of la patrie and la citoyenne is basically to create a sense of collective identity. वो उसका meaning ही है. So yes, both assertion and reason are true and R is correct explanation of A. Okay? Guys, make sure that you pause the video, think and then give the answer. Then only play the video. Next question, guys. On 18th May 1848, 831 elected representatives revolted in the Frankfurt Parliament. Reason. The elected representatives revolted against the issue of extending political rights to women. What do you think? If you think assertion and reason both are right and reason is explaining the assertion, then choose option A. If you think both assertion and reason are right, but reason does not express assertion, then choose option B. If you think assertion is right, but the reason is false, then choose option C. If you think both assertion and reason are false, then choose option D. Pause the video, think and then give the answer. And the right answer is option D. Guys, both are false. How? Guys, the date is right. The number of elected representatives is also right. What is false? What is wrong in the statement 1? What is false? What is wrong in assertion statement? On 18th May 1848, 831 elected representatives marched in Frankfurt Parliament. They never revolted. They marched in Frankfurt Parliament. Yes. So here, if you look at this statement, once again, revolted. This is wrong. It should be marched. Reason. The elected representatives revolted. Guys, revolted is wrong here. Against the issue of extending political rights to women. Guys, basically, there was no woman candidate in those 831 elected representatives, but women were allowed to be a part of that parliament as an observer. Right? So, if you look at the reason, this never happened, guys. So both the statements are wrong. Next question. The meaning of Volksgeist is what? It's a German phrase. Option A, common people. B, spirit of the nation. C, patriotic music. Patriotic music. Patriotic music. Or D, none of these. Slip of tongue. So guys, I'm giving you a few seconds. Pause the video and then give the answer. The meaning of Volksgeist is... And the right answer is option B, spirit of the nation. It's a German phrase. Next one. Jacobin Club influenced German army. So the statement which is given to you, is it true or false? And yes, the statement is false. Guys, who was the leader of Jacobin Club? Do let me know in the comment section. And the last question. In Britain, formation of nation state was a long parliamentary process. Is it true or false? Yes. And the right answer is, it is true. In Britain, the formation of a nation state was a long parliamentary process. So basically, guys, people, what we saw in this session, I asked you a question on the making of Germany and Italy, visualizing the nations, and nationalism and imperialism. I hope, guys, the session was useful to everyone. Now, guys, the homework question. The question is, according to the conservatives, which of the following measures could strengthen the autocratic monarchies of Europe? Option A, modern army. Option B, an efficient bureaucracy. Option C, a dynamic economy. Or is it option D, all of these? Do let me know the answer in the comment section, guys, after this video ends. Alright. So guys, the session which you are currently attending, so it is on 22nd of October, 8 p.m. The next session is going to be on 23rd of October, 8 p.m. on resources and development. So do not forget to be a part of my session on 23rd of October, 8 p.m. for resources and development. Thank you so much, kids, for attending my session. Now, guys, let me guide you how you guys can take our pro subscription. As I told you, guys, this is the video which is going on right now. No, not right now. But this is one of my video on YouTube. Kahan pe gayi? Yeah. Alright, this is one of my video on YouTube. Guys, just browse it. Scroll it down. Go to show more. And you guys can take the courses, guys. If you click on term 1 crash course, देखो, AD Pro is already applied. Let's take an example. If I remove the code, you will get such kind of option. Just click on apply coupon, AD Pro, apply, get flat 10% off. I told you guys the difference between Lite and Classic. In Classic, you will get a doubts app. After the class, you can ask unlimited questions. Guys, once you take our subscription, guys, you will come across such kind of dashboard. Okay, how you guys can watch the replays and download the notes. Just click on past sessions. And guys, just click on the replay option, replay button. You guys can watch the replays. See.
from Communist Party. And now यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि इनके पास ऐसे कोई राइट्स नहीं थे. Elected leaders do not know the.
So this is how you guys can watch the replays. This is how you guys can download the notes. Just click on get notes. You can see, guys, each and every quiz, including the theory, you can download. Right? So thank you so much, kids, for attending the session. Do take up a pro subscription. The link is there in the description box. Thank you so much, guys. Do not forget to hit the like button. I'll see you guys in my next video on resources and development on 23rd of October at 8 p.m. Right? See you guys. Bye-bye. Take care. Have fun. Jai Hind.